Hello traders and investors. This is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. Let me go over the TA big picture first, and then we will move over to the trading plan. Now, there are two opportunities for Bitcoin. I should say possibilities, but there are opportunities as well. The first possibility is that Bitcoin is in a reaccumulation phase. What is a reaccumulation phase? A reaccumulation phase is a phase in which the price is in consolidation before moving higher. What are the supporting evidence for reaccumulation? Essentially, a fundamental issue. Every time before the halving, Bitcoin is going through this consolidation or pullback before initiating the parabolic phase of the market. If Bitcoin will now enter a bear market after the halving, it will be the first time in Bitcoin's history. Is it possible? Yes. Is it probable? In my opinion, no. No. I think that the probabilities lie with the longs. Okay? Now, if this is a distribution, it's also possible because we discussed this descending triangle, and this descending triangle has a technical target of 46.5, let's say 48. Is it possible? Yes. But at the moment, we are at a decision point. If Bitcoin will find acceptance above 60K, it will invalidate this descending triangle. But if it will get rejected from the 60K mark, it will corroborate, or it will give confluence for the bearish scenario. Now, in the previous video, I said to expect a short squeeze or a bear rally to the upside. Bitcoin found support at the 20-week EMA and it moved to the 60K mark. I said that at the 60K mark is a time to take profit or partial profit. Okay, I don't know if you did or if you didn't, but until now, the trading plan is working perfectly. Now we are at a decision point, okay? Because we didn't get rejected from the 60K mark. What you see here is not a rejection. It's consolidation below resistance. Consolidation below resistance actually keeps both possibilities alive. It could be that Bitcoin will now consolidate below 60K and move above and continue much higher. It could also be that Bitcoin will continue this consolidation a little bit more and push lower. Now, we don't know what scenario will materialize because we cannot see into the future, but we have a very clear trading plan, okay? What I would like to see is a daily close above 60K. A daily close above 60K will give the bullish scenario a lot of credibility. The issue I have here is that today is a Friday. Fridays are known for reversals, but after the Friday, we go into the weekend, and in the weekend, everything is possible. So, a daily close above 60K is the first phase. What I would like to see after that is a weekly close above 60K. If there is a weekly close above 60K, the bullish case will become a lot stronger. Now, regardless, we have clear validation and invalidation. Okay, if Bitcoin will get above 60K weekly close, we are bullish. If Bitcoin will close the weekly candle below 60K, we are bearish, okay? So it's very easy to take a trade. If you will see Bitcoin closing the weekly candle above 60K, you can take a long trade, okay? And your invalidation is easy. If Bitcoin will lose the 60K mark, especially let's say if it will lose the 59K level, so below 59K, I will be inclined to believe that we are pushing for lower prices. If it gets above the 60K, holds the daily candle today above 60K, holds the weekly candle above 60K, then we are going for higher. if it will lose the 60K mark, then I will be inclined to short Bitcoin, and in that case I will expect much lower prices. This is it. So far everything is working according to plan. Now we need to wait for New York to open today, and the New York session will give us more clarity. The weekly close will give us even more clarity if we are going to continue to the upside or are we going into a bear phase. You still have time, okay? If we are going to 48K, it's not going to happen today. It will take possibly weeks, maybe even months. Okay, that's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.